everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today we are going to make jambalaya. Jambalaya is a classic Cajun dish that is basically lots of rice cooked in a flavorful tomato sauce we got chicken, andouille, shrimp, and lots of seasonings, lots of flavor. It's total comfort food and it's totally delicious. So let me show you how to make it. First thing we do is we heat a bit of olive oil in our pan here. Got a pot. Use a good sized pot because it's a big dish. Okay. Next we add onion. And celery. And bell pepper. Here I got some orange bell pepper, but you can use green, red, whatever you want. And I like to add hot peppers to mine. I've got some jalapenos and serranos here. It's totally optional if you want a spicier version. I love it spicy, shocker. Most Cajun cuisine doesn't have hot peppers, but I love it. All right, I'm gonna stir this up and we'll cook it down for 5, 6, 7 minutes, just till everything kind of softens up a bit. And this is a huge flavor building base. And it's the Cajun Holy Trinity. Outstanding stuff. So, all right, we'll be right back. All right, my Trinity is cooking down nicely. So next we add some garlic. I use probably like 5 or 6 cloves because I just love a lot of garlic. It's delicious. And I've got some chopped chicken. You can use chicken breast or chicken thigh. I got some chicken thigh today. And I've got some andouille sausage. Amazingly delicious stuff. And stir it up, and we're going to cook this down for, 4 or 5 minutes until the chicken is starting to, cook up a little bit, and then we will continue. Next, we add some Cajun seasonings, and this is my own homemade Cajun seasoning blend, the way that I like it, with a little touch of ghost pepper in there. But you can use your favorite store-bought blend. It's totally good, so whatever you like. And I've got some oregano and some basil. And I'm going to just stir this up a little bit, kind of get everything incorporated. Let those spices bloom just a touch. You can smell it. All right. And I have some tomato. These are fire roasted tomatoes. But you are free to use, fresh tomatoes, canned tomatoes, pretty much any tomatoes you want. I love fire roasted, it's just so delicious. But when I make this in the summertime, I use my fresh tomatoes from the garden. Delicious. And we stir this up. I have some tomato sauce here, tomato sauce. And I have some chicken stock here. I'm using 1 cup of chicken stock. That's going to be for the rice. So we stir this all together. And next, this is a totally optional step for you. But at this point, if you want even extra spicier, hot sauce. So here I have a homemade Louisiana style cayenne hot sauce. It's a lot like Crystal, which is a very favorite down in New Orleans. And a little more. Really to your taste, and only if you want. It's totally optional. I'm going to stir this up here, get everything incorporated. And next is white rice. So I've got 1 cup of rice, and you can actually add more than 1 cup of rice if you want to. You can go up to 2 cups, and it'll be more, more filling, more rice dish. But if you do so, then add extra broth. So, all right, let me get this in there. Got a cup. Stir it all up, get it nicely incorporated. All right. So it's already smelling delicious. But now, once this is all incorporated, everything's nicely mixed up in the pot. Look at that. God, it looks delicious already. All right. So now we are going to cover this and reduce the heat to simmer, and let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes or so until the rice gets nice and fluffed up and absorbs all that wonderful flavor. And then we will come back and eat some jambalaya. Yes. Oh, don't forget. I totally forgot. Little salt and pepper. You know, you got to have that. And a little more hot sauce. Oh, baby. Oh, it smells good. All right, get that incorporated in. And cover and simmer. So don't forget the shrimp. You can use cooked shrimp from the store or cook some on your own. It's a little easier to cook it rather than tuck it into the jambalaya because it's real thick and ricey, but you can try to tuck it in there as well, let it cook up, but I just think it's easier to cook it yourself. Stir it in. Oh yes. Deliciousness. And if you're a little bit crazy and love spicy food like I do, extra hot sauce, my friends. To taste, hot sauce to taste. All right, stir it up. Oh my God. Just, jambalaya. All right, I'm gonna give it a taste. Gonna dig in there a little bit, get down, get some of the brothiness, some of the tomatoiness. Ooh, it's hot. Seriously. Jambalaya, man, it is just so delicious. Cajun awesomeness. So that's it, guys. That is how you make Cajun jambalaya. You can make it different ways, and I'll talk about that in the actual post, you know, different meats. But hey, I hope you like it. That's how I make mine. Let me know how you like it. So, all right, that's it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I will see you next time. Bye.